Are you looking for the best utility knives in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best utility knives. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Home Planet Box Cutter Retractable Utility Knife. Anyone who's cut carpet from the backside knows what happens if the knife slips. It can result in knuckles rubbing against the rough backing, leading to irritating scrapes. When we picked up the Home Planet Box Cutter, we knew exactly what the smooth, round guard was designed to do: protect knuckles. And it does that very well. This retractable utility knife features an ergonomic, non-slip grip for comfort, and we found it comfortable to grasp the knife firmly. The Home Planet Box Cutter is weightier than the other utility knives we tested, coming in at nearly half a pound. However, its design alleviates pressure on the fingers, transferring it to the whole hand, so we didn't feel hand fatigue after cutting with it for a while. It's also longer than some, measuring 7 inches with the blade extended. A slight downside, and it's debatable, is that it may be more difficult to make precision cuts with a fist grip like the one on this knife. It's straightforward to change blades via a blade release button. Another button opens the underside of the case to reveal onboard blade storage. Moving on at number 4, we have the FANTASTICAR Folding Utility Knife Gift Box Cutter. Who said a utility knife has to be boring? The pink polished body of the Fantastica folding utility knife looked too pretty to test, but it performed impressively well, cutting through all our test materials. Unlike other knives that all came in plastic blister packs, the Fantastica knife arrived in an attractive box suitable for gift giving. The well-designed FANTASTICAR knife features a blade that locks in place, both when extended and shut, and users must depress the lock release button to open and close the blade. This model features quick blade change via a button release near the blade's tip. The only notable downside is a lack of onboard blade storage. It weighs in at 4 ounces, and though just over 6.5 inches when open, it's only 4 inches long when closed, making it compact enough for tucking into a purse, backpack, or glove compartment. And if pink isn't a favorite color, the FANTASTICAR knife is available in a spectrum of other shades. At number 3, we have the FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife. One of the nicest looking knives we tested, the FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife impresses right out of the package. It features an eye-catching red aluminum body with a stainless steel blade. When folded, the blade locks in place and cannot be opened without pressing a safety button near the hinge of the knife. When we folded the blade out, it also locked into place, and when we applied pressure to the back of the blade, the lock held firmly. This FC model is substantial, weighing in at a hefty 4.8 ounces and measuring 4.5 inches long when the blade is extended, and it had no issues cutting through any of the test materials. It features a solid stainless steel clip that can be attached to a belt or pocket if desired. It also comes with a canvas carry pouch with a belt loop on the backside. The FC knife features quick blade change capability. When we pressed the blade release button located near the tip of the blade, the old blade slid right out. Inserting a new blade was just as easy. The only downside to this FC knife is that it doesn't have onboard blade storage. At number 2, we have the Pacific Handicutter S4R Safety Cutter Retractable. Enjoy the cutting power of a utility knife without spending a lot of cash. The Pacific Handicutter utility knife doesn't have many bells and whistles, but it's functional and safe. It features a durable molded plastic handle and an adjustable, retractable blade that's controlled by a side slide. We couldn't see the benefit of the metal thumb shield near the point of the blade, until we tried it. This feature allowed us to choke up on the knife, holding it closer to the blade without the risk of cutting a thumb. The shield isn't necessary for all cutting tasks, but when we tried cutting along a straight line, it came in handy by allowing us to slide our hand forward, which increased precision control. The knife cut easily through all our test materials. The Pacific Handicutter weighs just 1.76 ounces and measures 5.75 inches long. It features onboard blade storage. Just slip a fingernail in the slot along the back edge and pull upward to reveal the extra blade space. The only downside we noticed was when we retracted the blade, we had to be careful to retract it all the way. Otherwise, it stopped in a spot where the tip of the blade still stuck out enough to cut a finger if the user failed to pay close attention. By pressing a button on the bottom of the knife, we could access and change blades. And finally at number 1. We have the Gerber EAB Lite pocket knife. As an all-around utility knife, it's tough to beat the compactness, durability, and innovative design of the Gerber EAB Lite pocket knife. At first glance, we didn't think much of this sleek-looking knife. It was smaller than others tested and looked more like a money clip than a utility knife. Well, it can double as a money clip, but that's where the similarities end. The Gerber knife is made from smooth brushed stainless steel, and it features a fold-open blade. Just grab the top of the blade section and fold it out. The open blade locks firmly in place, and there's no side-to-side play in the knife. We used it to cut through cardboard, tape, plastic zip ties, plastic blister packs, and cords. It sliced right through with ease. It has an all-steel grip that fits nicely in hand, and Gerber has provided an additional blade guard in front of the handle, an asset to a user with larger hands. The solid quality makes this utility knife akin to that of a high-end pocket knife. This Gerber model weighs in at a mere 2.5 ounces and is 5.1 inches long when extended. In its folded state, it's just 2.8 inches long. A flathead screwdriver is necessary for changing the blade. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.